Kids Zone with Trishy. I use the potty. When I was a baby, I drank lots of milk. And I peed and pooped all the time. I pooped and peed in so many diapers. Yucky, stinky diapers. Do I still pee and poop in a diaper? No, big kids use the potty. Ta-da! Big kids wear underwear. When I have to go, I go into the bathroom, pull down my undies, and sit on the potty. Sometimes it takes a while, but then, plop, I did it! Woohoo! Now we wipe my tush and flush. Bye-bye, pee. Bye-bye,